Well, now that I have my nails done, let's go grab some lunch. Welcome to Brioche. This is one of Jaco's hidden gems. It's located on Calle La Nacion, and we're gonna go in and grab some lunch with my amazing new nails from Aqua Spa. Come take a look. Gracias. I think I'm gonna have to try the Jacobeño. Gracias. Ay, gracias, amor. Thank you so much for joining me today and showing you all of the amazing things that Jaco has to offer. I look forward to showing you more in our next videos.